Is it time to buy or sell Dell Technologies stock? In this video, we will explore Dell Technologies in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 20th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Dell Technologies as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.22. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it evolves in the upcoming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 25.22% over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 25.22% and 40.79%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -1.96%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from -46.16% to +8.45% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $69.17 and $139.33. Our latest daily update for Dell Technologies includes the headline, "Evaluation of Dell Technologies Inc. stock downgraded after the last trading session." The stock price for Dell Technologies Inc. decreased by nearly 5% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025. It fell from $135.20 to $128.48. This marks the 6th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of up to 5.64%, with a day low of $126.84 and a day high of $134. Although the price has dropped in 6 out of the last 10 days, it remains up by a fraction of a percent over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased by 4 million shares on the last day, despite the decline in prices. This may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 7 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $839 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $147.66, while the lowest price was $66.25. Currently, the price is 12.99%, or $19.18, below the 52-week high, and 28.50%, or $51.22, below the all-time high recorded on the 29th of May, 2024, when the stock price peaked at $179.70. Dell Technologies is receiving new bullish signals. Multiple analysts have raised their price targets into the range of 160 to 165 and upgraded the shares to a buy rating. The underlying fundamentals are being framed within a narrative of value and growth. Analysts highlight Dell's strong positioning in artificial intelligence, particularly in servers, along with ongoing demand for commercial personal computers and upgrade cycles as key drivers for both short-term revenue and long-term margin expansion. The company is set to report its fiscal second quarter results and host a conference call on August 28th, which could serve as a catalyst to amplify these views or induce short-term volatility. Recently, shares have experienced a pullback compared to the broader market, which may temper immediate upside or attract momentum and value buyers ahead of the earnings announcement. In the short term, upgrades, increases in price targets, and headlines about artificial intelligence should bolster buying interest and could drive the stock higher leading into the earnings report. However, anticipate fluctuations driven by headlines and the risk of selling once the news is out. Over the long term, sustained demand for artificial intelligence servers and the refresh of commercial personal computers could significantly enhance revenue and profits, assuming Dell effectively converts market momentum into consistent execution while navigating competitive pressures and the concentration risks associated with hyperscalers. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned Dell a neutral grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities rated Dell with a buy grade and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank gave Dell a sector weight grade and an initialize action. On Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned Dell an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley rated Dell with an overweight grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Dell Technologies stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is considered a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Dell Technologies. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, several negative signals have also been issued, which may affect the near-term outlook. The stock of Dell Technologies Inc. currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $137.10 and $130.53. A breakthrough above either of these levels could generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 12, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 9.29%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 71 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 63 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Dell Technologies. Dell Technologies Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $125.98. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with substantial trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $7.16 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 5.64%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.97%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Dell Technologies, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might suggest that there are low expectations for the company's future, or that the stock is undervalued, which could indicate a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of August 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $2.28. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Dell Technologies. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Dell Technologies is at $131.24. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Dell Technologies encounters its first support level at $125.98. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Dell Technologies from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of August, 2025, Radakovich Lynn Vojvodich conducted an insider sale of 725 shares of options to acquire Class C common stock. On the 15th of August, 2025, Radakovich Lynn Vojvodich also conducted an insider purchase of 725 shares of Class C common stock. Again, on the 15th of August, 2025, Radakovich Lynn Vojvodich executed an insider sale of 725 shares of Class C common stock. On the 8th of August, 2025, Sharp Richard Troy engaged in an insider purchase of 0 shares of Class C common stock. On the 11th of August, 2025, William D. Green executed an insider purchase of 50,000 shares of Class C common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 35.078. Overall, insiders purchased 902,691 shares and sold 1,891,150 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Dell Technologies stock a good buy? The stock of Dell Technologies Inc. presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Dell Technologies will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Hence, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have updated our evaluation from a buy to a sell recommendation since the last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of August, we expect Dell Technologies to open higher by $1.29, starting at $129.77. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. We invite you to share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading, and may you have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.